This video with your $30, with your $50, with your $100, you can possibly start up a journey that can completely change your life forever. So that's what I will be breaking down for you in today's video. So make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, smash the like button if you find value. A lot of guys has walked up to me and said, "Guy, I will deposit $30 in my broker and I'll blow it. I've deposited $50 in my broker, I've blow it. I've even deposited $100 in my broker, I've blow it." He said, "How can I actually have access to large capitals?" This is the video for you. I'm going to show you how you can have access to large capital from $5,000, $6,000 to $100,000, even $200,000, $300,000, depending on how you want it. So with your little money, you can actually start up a journey that will change your life forever. For that being said, let's dive right into the video. So let's go, guys. This is my trade for today. As you can see, I am in massive profit, right? I am in massive profit. So okay, first thing first, as you can see, you come over to FundedNext. Just go to your browser, right? Go to your browser and type fundednext.com, and the link is also at the description. In today's video, I will be breaking down two major profits. If you want to have access to these profits, they will give you 50% discount if you use the link at the description. You come over to FundedNext, they will bring you over to this page right here, empowering promising traders worldwide, internationally, anywhere you are. They are possibly there waiting for you to deposit your $30, $50, or any amount that you can possibly afford. So let's do it right here. As you can see, if you have access to this profit, start making some color of money with them. You can actually have access to 95% profit split, right? And as you can see right here, up to 300k trading accounts, right? And as you can see, 24-hour guarantee payouts. So if you come over to this place right here, you will see no time limit in challenge phase. Am I understood? So if you want to register with this pro firm, all you need to do is to come over to this place right here and start a challenge. But let me break down these pro firms for you so that you will not just go out there and start doing what is in your mind. So if you come over here, as you can see, we have like three plans. We have Stellar 2-step, right? We have Stellar 1-step, and we have Stellar Light. So let me break everything down for you so you will know how all of this work. Am I understood? If you come over to this place right here, you can get a plan for $59, get a plan for $119. You can also get a plan for $199. You can get a plan for $299. You can get a plan for $549. You can also get a plan for $999. Now for $59 plan, you will have access to $6,000, and right here $15,000, $25,000, $50,000, $100,000, and up to what, $200,000. This is what you will eventually have access to if you get any of this plan right here. Now let's get down to how you can possibly enjoy this pro firm right here. So if you come over to this place, you will see 15% profit share, right, from challenge phase. So this one right here, don't forget that is a two-step evaluation stage. So this one is a 1-step and this one is just light. So as you can see, if it's one profit target, you have to make 8% of $6,000. The phase 2, you have to make 5% of $6,000, and if you are done with that, they will not satisfy you. Come over here, maximum overall loss, you have to lose $600. That is 10% of this particular account right here if you are going for $6,000 account. Or if you are going for $15 account, you have to lose $1,500. That is your 10%. And if you come over to maximum daily loss, is $300. That is 5%. If you hit your 5% daily loss, that is all the account will be taken from you. And same goes with any of these ones right here. And if you scroll down to this place right here, you will see news trading. Cool, you can trade the news, right? And profit split up to 95%. They may not start with the 95% profit split, but they will definitely get you to 95% with time. I'm understood. Maximum trading days, 5 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. First withdrawal 21 days, and refundable fee. They will refund whatsoever you paid. If you're a new trader, if you get a pro firm, you will definitely blow your first pro firm, right? You will definitely blow your first pro firm. Now this is the secret to pass every pro firm. If you come over to pro firms like this and you see that, okay, this is what you can afford, or you can afford $59, right, to be credited $6,000, all you need to do right here to get over to your broker and fund your demon account, right? Fund your demon account. Try to grow this $6,000 account using demon account. It's like you are practicing before the real exam, right? So make sure you do it like 5 to 10 times. Grow the $6,000 account to possibly $10,000, and make sure you don't lose up to 10% that is here. It is said the overall loss is 10%. So make sure if you are going for $15,000, if you're practicing on demo, make sure you don't go down to 10%. So give yourself a target, and that is how to pass a profile. Now let's get over to Stellar Step 1. If you pay $65, the other one was $59, right, for 2-step verification, but this one is $65, 1-step verification. Profit share $90, profit target 10%, maximum overall loss 6%, that is $360, and maximum daily loss is $180, right, that is 3%. You have to be careful. Once you get to $180 a day, man, you are out of the market. They will eventually take the account from you, and you can eventually trade in news and profit split up to 95%. Minimum trading days 2 days. And if you scroll down right here, if you scroll down, is also refundable. So same thing apply to any of this plan right here, $6,000, $15,000, up to $200,000. Now let's get back to Stellar Light. So here is Stellar Light, and right here is $5,000. As you can see, $5,000, and all you need to pay to get this $5,000 account is $32, and to get this account right here, $59. This one for $139. As you can see, it's more cheaper, right? So as you can see, phase 1 profit target is 8%, right? Phase 2 profit target is 4%, right? It's like you have to make 8% profit in your step 1, and you have to make 4% profit in your step 2. Am I understood? Right here, maximum overall loss 8%, that's $400. So that's why I will always advise you guys to trade on demon, right? Practice on demon, especially the new traders. Practice on demon before you get a profit, right? As you can see, these guys are ready to help you grow up, right? If you want to get any of the plan, you can go ahead and click on this, right? Go ahead and click on any of this plan. Let's say we go with $5,000. All we need to do right here, go with MT5, right? Go down a bit. Instead of going with swap, just go with swap free. It's very important, so that if you want to swap, you can swap free anytime, and don't take any of these unless if you have money to add for them. Then go ahead and click agreed, right? If you click agreed, come over here and click get started. So as you can see, it will bring you over to this page. So all you're going to do right here, as you can see, this is the total amount. All you need to do right here is to go with any of this payment method that you are comfortable with, make your payment, and that's all. Now right here, it is a program that most big boys are using. Grow and monetize your demon trading, right? So let's scroll down, right? Let's scroll down here. As you can see, to get started, all you need to do is to click FTMO challenge, and you will start up a challenge. As you can see right here is 5-star review, up to 23,613 views. If you don't believe on this review, you can possibly go to Trupilot and check the review by yourself, right? The link is at the description if you want any of the profile. If you click on FTMO challenge, that will bring you to this page right here. As you can see, this is my account. Trading currency, a lot of people go with USD, depend in your country, or depend on what you are comfortable with, and come over here. As you can see, $100,000. If you know that, or you have enough cash, right, or you can possibly go with $200,000, or you can go with $100,000. But let's check it out. How much are we going to pay to get the 100,000 profile account? So all we need to do, FTMO MetaTrader 5, and let's see how much we are going to pay. So first thing first, you can get over to this place and fill in your information, payments, currency, USD, and let's see how much it will cost us. So it will cost us $626.90 to get the $100,000 account. If you don't have this cash right here, all you need to do, or you can possibly start with $10,000, because I know as a beginner you will definitely blow the account. Make sure you select MT5, right, and fill in your information as I said earlier. So your payment method depend on the country and depend on what you want to pay with, right? So you can come over here. As you can see, for the $10,000 is $179.74. So you can make sure you agree to their terms and conditions, and make sure you also click on privacy policy, which is very, very important. So if you want to make payments, you can come over right here. Just as simple as that. Once you're done, they just give you the account. So as you can see, they pop up this page for me where I'm supposed to make payment, right? And these are the payment method that you have to use to pay for the plan. That's just as simple as that. So for those of you guys that said, I have deposited $30, I've blew it, $50, I've $100, I've blew it, don't worry, this is the platform for you to start with, right? But make sure you practice on demon accounts for a while before you get a profit. As a beginner, you will definitely blow that's your first funded account. So if you don't want it to be like that, then practice on demon. Join my Telegram community where I share signals, right? You want to learn how to trade, you want to learn how to analyze. My Telegram channel got you covered. So subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and peace out, guys.